We here with the AEW Tag Team Champions. We just had crazy BTS shoot. It was insane. I can't wait for y'all to see it. How does it feel being the AEW Tag Team Champions?
It feels amazing. 5 years in the making. You know, it may take a very long time, but better late than never. And I'm gonna try my best to elevate this tag team championship to new heights.
Where do you see yourself being 5 years from now?
Trio champion, TNT champion, hopefully world champion.
Best advice you could give to the people?
Best advice, talk to God every day, believe in yourself, never give up. Always manifest too. Best advice. Boom.
One last question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can I put you in a Scorpion Deathlock?
No.
In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!